Greetings and welcome to One Sparkle Love Church, presented by Healing by JDL LLC. And I just got a call that my truck is ready tomorrow morning. Yay, so I can get back to life. No, basically I'm on vacation this week because I wanted to get things organized. Spring cleaning does not just happen in spring. Spring cleaning actually happens throughout the year. So for me, because we get winter break at the schools, I basically am on spring cleaning. So I'm going through my cabinets to take out all the herbs that my body is now rejecting after 4 years after cancer and cancer treatments. It says done. Because there's a time limit on everything you do in life. And the time limit has come, I have to bag them up. So as I'm bagging them up, then I'm putting in there what it is, like a little recipe thing. Like how much you take and what it is and all that good jazz. So then they start out like this. This is a gallon size and, quart size. So then I bag them up or I put them in tea bags, just depending upon what the product is. So I have, lucky me, after cancer treatments, I discovered the world of hypoglycemia. This is what cancer treatments do. You get a lot of side effects, so it's time for what I always call junk food. Junk food is just basically finger food, your pizza, hot dogs, and so forth. So it's junk food. Now, since I live on plant-based foods, anything that is processed, like anything that's fermented, is actually, I cannot have it because oh my goodness, the laundry list of medical issues is amazing after cancer. I discovered the world of histamine intolerant, and the cancer brought that on. So that means that anything that is high histamine in foods, I can't consume because then it plugs up my sinuses, which is itis. Itis is inflammation of whatever. So if I have histamine intolerant, I'm going to get itis in my immune system. If you have arthritis, you have itis, inflammation in your bones. Itis is pertaining to inflammation, which is, in science, expansion. When it's contraction, that means you have less, and your body is like having a hissy fit because it needs its nutrients to do expansion. So I'm making myself a sandwich because I'm hypoglycemic. I'm not diabetic, but for everyone else, that simply means that they have to have gluten free. For me, I need gluten because I am low blood sugar. So in order to activate my blood sugar expansion like now, so I'm not next to dead, I have to make some junk food. So I'm on vacay this week. Vacay is vacation. So I'm on vacay this week, and then every time I have to give a definition of what something means, I'm bored. Okay, I don't really enjoy stepping into kindergarten, so people that don't understand my lingo, I have to step in kindergarten and explain kindergarten. Okay, so I've got hypoglycemia. It means I need my sugar. That means I eat every 2 hours. Now I'm making a hypoglycemic sandwich. I don't know. I don't have names for everything. I just know what I need. Now this week, basically for the next few months, this is what I'm making, is the bread. That to me is junk food because I haven't eaten bread in like 20 years. I started again about 5 years ago. So that's 25 years. So this particular bread is French pumpkin sesame. Now, sesame is one of the powerhouse of seeds that I put into my oatmeal loaded that I eat every morning. And so it's got, the bread is pumpkin, and that is a winter squash. And then I'm specifically eating for the next few weeks until it's gone. And then, I don't know what the big brown parts are, but I'm sure it's something to do with seeds. See, it's like the pumpkin seeds, perhaps? I don't know. But anyways, I'm trying something new, okay? So I lather the bread with some plant-based mayo. And then inside the container, I cannot have red tomatoes. It has high histamine. Blows up my sinuses. So I can eat green tomatoes. So I cut up some tomatillos. And I cut up for the next few weeks. It's going to be sage and marjoram and thyme and dill. Okay. So I'm eating those 4 herbs. Put those inside. Mix it up, and I put it with this garlic vinaigrette with olive oil. Okay, so I mix that in there. On top, I don't eat lettuce, either red leaf lettuce because of histamine, or I eat Chinese cabbage. And by the time I cut it and dry it out, I'll be eating that for about a good 6 months. So I got my Chinese cabbage laid out, and then I got my mix, and then I put my plant-based cheese. Oh, inside the mix, you got your broccoli sprouts. So this is going to be my junk food for my hypoglycemia. Someday I'll come up with names, but most of the time, no. I just know my spirit tells me, eat this, and it's just all of a sudden an assembly line, and so you can eat it open-faced, right, with your hand, or you can eat it with the other piece on top, and you have a lovely little junk food, and that's a junk food sandwich. And life is love, love is life. Blessings from Reverend Dr. Juanita Lewis, DDIV, PhD, and thank you for your support.